don't feel like anything to do. We've got kayaking, as he said, and they've got singles and doubles, loads of different types of boats out there. Yeah, you've got the pool if you don't quite feel up to doing anything in the sea. And here it's really nice. And they've got your own restaurant and bar and everything.
Yeah.
So
Cool.
it's really nice here. I quite like paddleboarding, the pool, and meeting new people. It's quite nice, yeah. And Greece.
Yeah.
It's good.
It's hot, yeah. So.
Much better than England.
Yeah.
The sailing area it just feels like a great lake where we've got land, as we see it all around us here. So it feels very protected. The wind has just been in the beautiful working range, and there's been safety boats all over the place. We've been out on paddleboards, on skiff races and dinghies, and we've had a fantastic time.
We've got the apartment, then we've got the pool, and then the beach with all the boats and the equipment. We haven't seen her from the day we got here. She's been out on windsurfers, she's been out dinghy sailing, she's learning with the other kids and getting on, having a great time.